Hi, my name is Ms. Kalman. I'm the sixth grade math teacher on the Indigo team, and this is our class website. The first thing that I would like to do is I would like to recommend that each student bookmarks my website on their desktop. In order to do that, you need to kind of minimize the screen a little bit. This icon that's here right next to the URL at the very top, it's a page. On your web browser it might be different, but if you click on that and drag it right to your desktop, it'll be bookmarked for future reference. So now back to my website. If you're watching this video, you're able to successfully find my website since the link was listed under daily homework. The first thing, we have a little welcome message at the top. On the right-hand side here, we have class shoutouts. Upcoming test quizzes and projects will be highlighted here. The first quiz information will be here. It will be coming up in a few weeks, and once that date is selected, that will be updated. At the very bottom here, we have extra credit, and this is updated weekly. Students need to print the extra credit at home, complete it at home, and then there is a basket in the class where the student can put their extra credit. It's a risk-free opportunity. If they get it wrong, it doesn't hurt their grade, but if they get it right, it's 1% added to quizzes. So let's go to the heart of the website, which is this middle section, resources and tools. The first link is the daily homework. The homework is updated daily, and if I do assign a hard copy worksheet that I distribute in class, I will have an electronic copy of that worksheet available to be downloaded through this website. Next is extra help and enrichment. My extra help policy is specified here. It's pretty liberal. If a student has questions, they can just show up. Most mornings and afternoons I'm in my room, and I will be able to answer student questions. For enrichment, Khan Academy and Front Row are two great tools that are able to help students answer questions. Khan Academy is great for that, and to expand on knowledge, Front Row is really great for that as well. And if a student has questions about either of these two, they can see me. The third link is how to study, what to study, and helpful links. This site specifies successful approaches to studying in my class. What to study, a big part of sixth grade is learning how to study. And here are some fun games and tools and links. The fourth link is online grading and our math curriculum. Online grading, all grades are uploaded to Parent Portal. Quiz scores count once towards a student's marking period grade, and test scores count twice. If you see a test score listed twice on gradebook, it is not a typo. It is to double its emphasis towards the marking period average. Homework you will not see on Parent Portal. Homework is kept track in class. And although a student homework doesn't help a student's grade necessarily, it does help in theory, as when a student completes their homework, they typically do better on tests and quizzes. And the approach to homework is described here, that if a student misses a homework assignment, they receive a 0. And 3 zeros result in a 1/3 letter drop grade towards the marking period average. So for example, if a student earned, I'll highlight this example. If a student earned an A- for a quarter and missed 3 homework assignments without making them up, that student would earn a B+ for that quarter on their report card. And you can see the grade scale here. In that example I just gave, the student went from an A+ to an A- to a B+. Our sixth grade math curriculum is highlighted here. We use the model curriculum from the New Jersey Department of Education, which includes 5 units of study. The next link that we have is the textbook information, which is highlighted in the second video, so I'm going to leave that link for the second video. Flipped learning. In my class, I utilized an approach called the flipped classroom. You can read all about what the flipped classroom is, and these 3 videos highlight what the approach is all about. The next is remind text alerts. In my class, it seems like these days text messaging is the best way to communicate, and so I would like to take advantage of that trend using a program called Remind. This is an optional resource that a lot of students and parents have liked to use in the past. To sign up for these messages, you can send a text message to this phone number, 201-643-7377, with this message @Kalman2. This is not my personal cell phone message, but it is a cell phone number assigned to me through this program. I will send text message reminders out before upcoming tests, quizzes, and projects. And if I have anything else to add, perhaps a different homework assignment, I will be sending a text reminder out. And you can read more. I think it's really great for students, parents, tutors, babysitters, any type of caretaker to register for these text reminders. It doesn't cost any money, just typical text messaging fees. Most people have unlimited texting, so it's pretty good. The next link that we have is Park Review. This year we have a new standardized test to replace the New Jersey Ask called Park, and you can see helpful links and resources listed here. And that pretty much sums up all of the resources listed on my website. It's going to be a great year.